Alright guys, today let's analyze a stock that I hold myself, Daqin Railway. Again, we're going to apply different metrics to evaluate this company. First, company size. Daqin Railway is a state-owned enterprise which has monopoly over the coal transport from the western part of China to the eastern part. The western part is rich in coal mines, but economically less active, whereas the eastern part does not have much resources, but economically much more active. Daqin Railway's market capital is 110 billion Chinese yuan, ranked number 2 in the railway industry. Its annual revenue is 77 billion Chinese yuan. Size is pretty big. Next, financial condition. Daqin Railway has current ratio of 4.9, exceeding our greater than 2 requirement by a lot. Its working capital is almost 3 times of its long-term debt, and its debt to asset ratio is as low as 18%, and it's got a tiny amount of financial expense. So overall, its financial condition looks pretty solid. Next, earnings stability. Daqin Railway has been profitable for 22 consecutive years. However, I think its earnings will be on a irreversible downward trend. The past 10 years earnings dropped by 3%, and the past 3 earnings dropped by 19%. The reason I think the downward trend is irreversible is because China is transforming its energy structure. Right now, 2/3 of the country's energy comes from burning coal, and China has pushed hard on solar, wind, and nuclear energy for years, with the goal of reduce fossil fuel as much as possible. So Daqin Railway, as a company that's strongly tied to coal industry, its business will slowly shrink in the years to come. Okay, next metric, dividend record. Daqin Railway has paid out dividend for 19 consecutive years. In the past 3 years, its free cash flow can cover the dividend payout, and its past 5-year average dividend yield is pretty good at 7.2%. Next, let's look at valuation. The past 3-year average PE is 10, market value to 3-year average free cash flow is 15, price to book is 0.7, and RE to PB ratio is 11. From these numbers, the valuation seems low. I also estimated its intrinsic value by adding up its current liquidation value with the next 10 years total dividend. I got intrinsic value of 5.7 Chinese yuan per share. Alright, this is it for today. What do you think about the company Daqin Railway? Let's discuss in the comments. Stay tuned, guys.